And what's happening YouTube? It's your boy TechTrix back with another video, and today we're looking at the PaMu Unique wireless earbuds. Here we go. So let's go ahead and unbox this little guy right here by PaMu. Let's open it up. There we go. Slides right out. Go. Let's put that away. PaMu Unique. There you go. It's actually a very nice packaging showing their device. Very nice case, really. Box. Quite impressed. Let's go and open this. Put that away. So these are the earbuds, as you could see there. Pop that out. There you go. That's quite huge. There. Let's grab the other one. There you go. Oh, fell out in there. Anyways, let's grab this case. Right there. What else underneath this? Let's put that on the side for now. Open this guy up. See what else is in there. That's gonna go with that. Some leather cases there. Charging. Very nice USB-C. Some earbuds, ear tips. Some more ear tips. Different sizes. Instruction manual and also a case by PaMu. Look at that. It's pretty cool. Let's put this all on the side and just look at the earbuds here. What else in here? There we go. They even give us different designs. As you could see there, it shows you how to install it step by step. Now these are just the ones that will go over our case. Different designs. I like how they provided that for us. Let's put this on the side. What about this guy? What is this? There you go. And the wireless module. Very nice. Put that on the side. Different ear tips. You can see there. I like to use the small ones because my ears are very small, so I just like to use those. Let's open it all up anyway and check out what they actually got us. So to change out the tips, pretty easy. Just pop it in. There you go. Fairly easy. Take off the little tips. They also gave us different tips, like the black one and also the gray one. We're just gonna stick with the small ones right there, and let's put this on the side. Now let's go ahead and install the wireless charger or wireless module, basically right there, USB-C. Stick that on the side just like that, and that's it. There you go. Now you can place this on a wireless pad, charge it wirelessly. Very cool. Let's go test out these earbuds. Let's grab our phone. All you need to do is go to settings, Bluetooth, PaMu Unique right there. Pretty easy. There you go. You see there, PaMu Unique is connected. Now let's test out the music. There you go. Left side now. Let's see how it fits now on my ears. Now with these, you will give you the noise cancelling, and let's test out all that. It's a very nice fit actually. I kind of like the feel of this. It hugs the full amount of your ear. It covers the whole thing. And it's very comfortable to use. I'm not sure how well it is coming off. There you go. This is the shake test. It doesn't come off my face, so that's pretty good. When you're working out and all that stuff, pretty good, right? Let's test out the sounds. yeah, basically this earbuds, they are very loud, and it's very nice quality as well. You can really feel the bass on them. I really like the style of it as well, how it looks, as you can see there. I like how it's color black. Now let's try out installing the cases. So I like this color right here, kind of purple, leathery feel to it. So let's open that up like that. It's a very nice design, actually. I really like that. So it's magnetic, I believe. So all you need to do is attach this side right here, just like that, like magnet. It's pretty cool. And then on the other side, it sticks as well. And that's it. And it wraps around to itself. And there you go. Now for those of you who are wondering who wants to use the wireless charging adapter, it'll still work with the case on. There you go. Now these as well, if you tap once, it'll play pause on each side, doesn't matter. If you have a phone call, touch once and it'll also answer the phone call. On the left side, if you touch twice, it'll bring up Siri. On the left side, it will go to the next song. If there's a phone call and you touch twice, it'll reject the call. And if you long press on the left side, it'll bring down the volume. And if you long press on the right side, it'll bring up the volume. Calling time is about 30 hours, 30 hours as well of standby. Now these earbuds are normally $200, but today you can get it for $90. So that's a good deal. Pretty much more than half price off. It's a very nice design by PaMu. The very nice earbuds. I'm quite impressed with this product, how it feels on my ear, how it also has a touch gesture. It'll also bring up Siri, as you can see there. There you go. So that's all you need for earbuds like these. Again, there's different tips that they give you. A very nice design. I like how you can change out the outside, customize it as much as you can. Even if you don't like having a case, just have it like this. Your earbuds will just go in just like that. It'll charge it as well. And it's very nice. Quickly wrap it like that, and you're good to go. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing / review, first impression of the PaMu Unique. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell as well so you can be notified of the next videos to come. Comment below if you are interested on buying one of these. Hit the link down in the description below. That is an affiliate link, just to let you know. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.